To fix overexposed video in DaVinci Resolve, start by holding the Alt key and dragging your clip up to video layer to create an exact duplicate on the track above. Select the duplicated clip, open the inspector panel, and expand the composite section. Change the composite mode to multiply, which darkens the image by blending the two layers together. Then reduce the opacity to around 40% to control the intensity of the darkening effect. If the video still appears too bright and you want to darken it further, select the duplicated clip and go to the color page. In the color wheel's controls, adjust the gamma slider down to about -0.5 to reduce mid-tone brightness, and lower the lift slider to around -0.5 to darken the shadows. Preview the result and fine-tune the settings as needed until the exposure looks balanced and natural.